Hello everyone. Welcome to yet another episode of Education to Home, an initiative of Bhavan's Middle East in association with Janam TV. In these sessions, we are discussing the basic idea and the syllabus of class 11 and 12 of all subjects, how to prepare yourself or your children to face the CBSE board examination and guidance to achieve the dream scores. I am Sridevi Abhirami. Along with me, Ms. Anjali, Department of Computer Science, Indian Educational School, Kuwait. Today, we will be discussing about the most fascinating subject, informatics practices. Informatics practices is offered to the students of science group, that is pure science group, and the students of humanities stream, and the students of commerce stream without math.
Sridevi ma'am, very often we get queries from students asking the difference between computer science and informatics. Could you please elaborate on that?
True. Very often we hear this question from grade 10 students. See, computer science deals with the core programming skills and is usually opted by students who wishes to take up a career in the field of software development or related engineering fields. Whereas informatics practices is application oriented. It focuses on students to achieve the logical skills and empowers them to apply this knowledge in the field of their work. The syllabus of class 11 computer science and class 11 informatics are mostly similar except for 2 or 3 topics.
Basics of programming language is well covered in the syllabus of grade 11 informatic practices. Using this, students can write efficient programs. The knowledge of this can even help students to develop applications in future. Today, we'll be discussing the syllabus in detail and also the practices to emphasize on while writing a good program.
The syllabus of class 11 informatics practices consists of 4 units. Unit 1, Introduction to Computer System. Unit 2, Introduction to Python. And Unit 3, Database Concepts and Structured Query Language. And Unit 4 is Introduction to Emerging Trends. Now let us discuss each unit in detail. Unit 1, as I said, it's Introduction to Computer System. This unit includes topics as basics computer system, their architecture, input and output devices details, and memory, its types, details of primary and secondary memory, and the softwares, the types of softwares, details about operating system, etc. All these topics are like a revision of whatever they have learnt from their lower classes. Now, Anjali will discuss Unit 2 and Unit 3 topics in detail.
Now let's come to Unit 2. Unit 2 is Introduction to Python. It covers the basic of Python programming. Here you will learn about Python interpreter, both in script as well as interactive mode. Students will also learn about structure of a program, keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, precedence of operators, data types, both mutable and immutable, conditional statements, loop statements, conditional statements, and loop statements. They will also learn about the data types list and dictionary in detail. Next, we come to Unit 3. Unit 3 is Database Concepts and SQL, Structured Query Language. In this, students will cover database concepts, relational database management system, and also its needs. Under relational model, you will be learning about tuples, attributes, different types of keys, introduction to MySQL, data types. You will also be learning about DML and DDL commands in detail. The topics in this unit will also be tested for grade 12 CBSE examination.
The last unit is Introduction to Emerging Trends. This unit includes topics such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, natural language processing, big data analysis, Internet of Things, cloud computing, grid computing, blockchain technology, and immersive technology such as VR and AR. These topics exposes the students to various technological factors that evolve around us. All these topics that we have discussed so far will be tested by the end of the year for 70 marks, and rest of the 30 marks is allocated for practicals. Practical examination will be conducted by the end of the year that includes the programs in Python and MySQL queries. With this, we have covered the entire details of the syllabus of Class 11 Informatics Practices syllabus and their mark distribution.
Coding skills can really enhance your future career prospects. Learning to code not only shows your willingness to learn something new and move ahead in life, but also can provide you with an attractive skill set for your future employment opportunities. The number of jobs that don't require you to have some element of coding is shrinking day by day. Don't you agree, Sridevi ma'am?
Definitely. For example, some job roles that were based on traditional skill now require coding expertise also.
Exactly. Let's take the job role of environmental scientist. The knowledge of science is important, but the analysis of their research depends upon or relies on development of appropriate computer models. Or even business analysts need the ability to manipulate and understand big data, which will help them to analyze the emerging market trends. So I think taking up informatics in grade 11 will definitely be an advantage for a student aiming a career in any field.
With this, we have covered the topics of Class 11 Informatics Practices. In future episode, we will be talking in detail about Class 12 Informatics Practices. Until then, goodbye.